My name is Marko Mäki-Hakola. I'm the chairman of Working Party of Forest in Copa-Cogeca. That means that I'm representing the European farmers and forest owners. Originally, I come from Finland. My work is the forest director in the Finnish Farmers and Forest Owners Union. About the Forest Europe, I think it's extremely important, especially the work that Forest Europe has been doing for the sustainable forest management and the concept of SFM. I think that the Forest Europe is the owner of the concept since Helsinki resolution long time ago. And if we look to history, the concept from that old times, it's very good still, and it gives some kind of stability. And I encourage Forest Europe to give it the feeling that they are the owner of the concept. So thank you for Forest Europe for that. The data is very important. All decision makers, all stakeholders, we need the data. Without the data, it was more rough guessing what to do with the forest, how to make forest bioeconomy better. We use the data daily. The Copa-Cogeca and the member organizations are doing the lobbying and helping forest owners and farmers in every country and European level. And without the data, we couldn't do our work. I really like what the Sweden is doing during the Forest Europe presidency because they are finding the best things what to do, SFM, data, and helping our continent to be even better in the forest bioeconomy. Thank you.